Hi my loves, I'm Felicia and welcome back to Felicia Marie TV. Today I have a new beauty product to test out with you all. Influenster sent me some Makeup Forever HD Self-Setting Concealer and I want to test it out because you guys know my get ready with me, my simple makeup routine just involves a little bit of concealer and a little bit of powder. So we're going to jump right into it, you guys. I'm also going to do a wear test for you. I'm going to wear this all day at work, so I will be out for about 10 hours today and then I'll come back and see how it looks on camera. Ooh. Okay guys, so right off the bat, I really like this like cocoa brown color. It has a little bit of red undertone, so we're going to see how it blends out with my skin. It's giving me kind of a naked face vibe. Like, it almost looks like I didn't put on any concealer at all. I don't know if that's good or bad. So let's try the mouth area. Okay y'all, so I'm liking this so far. Like, it's giving me fresh face, makeup, no makeup, but let me see how it looks in a selfie. Ooh, I'm looking very cocoa brown. Oh, I like this. This is definitely light to medium coverage because I still see some of my dark spots. I think if you want to go like heavy coverage on this, you gotta do like 2 layers. But it's cute so far. Y'all, how come my cousin told me to wax my mustache? Because y'all saw my get ready with me. I was talking about how I do a lot of concealer above the lip because I have dark marks from like previous eczema scars above my lip. But I also have like a tiny bit of a mustache. And I'm sorry ladies, you can pretend you don't, but we see it. It's there. So I might, next time I go to get a wax, next time I go to European Wax Center, I might go ahead and get me a little over the lip wax. You know they ask you anyways, you know when you go to the beauty salon and she's like, let me wax your upper lip, let me wax your unibrow. You know they're mad rude. So I might do that. I feel very cocoa brown with this concealer. Like you can see where it covered my dark marks, but it also doesn't feel like too full coverage. So now I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance pressed powder. This is my absolute favorite pressed powder. As you can see, she's getting a lot of use. I still look very brown. Even after I put my powder on, I still look brown with a little bit of orange undertone. And I'm liking that because it makes me look very sunny. And I'm a Florida girl. I live in Florida, so I like looking a little sunny. Now you guys know we have to do the flashback test. We are going to take a selfie with flash. Click. Okay, she's looking good. She's looking good. She's looking good. Let's do it this way. First things first, rest in peace, Uncle Phil. For real. Flashback test. Oh, I could do it right here. I'm so stupid. Girl, my eye. Okay, we're looking good on flashback. We're looking good. We're looking good. Oh, sorry. The bronzer I just put on is Black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Bronzer in the color Rose Gold. This is my go-to get ready with me. This is my go-to makeup for work and for like average everyday, and then for other events I do like heavy coverage makeup, or I'm trying to learn how to do heavy coverage makeup, so I'll eventually do a look like that. Most of my get ready with me's are the same face with maybe a little different eye. Okay, now I'm using Jackie Aina Artist Couture LeBron's to highlight. LeBron James! LeBron James! LeBron James! LeBron James! I love that. Vine? Is that a Vine? I was about to say meme. I think that's a Vine. Boop boop! Rudolph the Glitter-Nosed Reindeer. Are you guys ready for Christmas? It does not feel like Christmas. Like, I just realized Christmas Eve is this weekend. It's like, because we always have a Christmas Eve party at my parents' house, and I'm like, oh snap, the party is this weekend. Like, what? It does not feel like Christmas at all. And a lot of people are saying that. Like, I'm not the only one saying that. Excuse me. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. What time is it? Ooh, it's time for me to go to work. Good thing I got dressed before I came to record this video, so I'm about to run out the door. I was waiting for you at the door. You're not cute. Your hairline crooked. Girl. Ooh, I was watching, who was I watching? Oh my gosh, I don't want to say the wrong name. Oh, I was watching Mimi Moments, and she was saying to learn makeup, she didn't just watch beauty gurus on YouTube, but she watched like real life professional makeup artists, and she said she learned so many tips from them because, like, you know, they're actually in the industry. And one of the things she said is when you put on highlight, you want to see it from the side, but you don't want people to see it from the front, right? So like front profile, you can't see my highlight, but when I turn, boom, I just blinded you. You get me? And when she said that, I was like, oh girl, you are so right. I like her. Mimi Moments. She is, I met her through a company called It's a Wig, and then I just got to know, like, I have been watching her videos and I've been following her on Instagram, and she's like a really sweet girl. I like her videos so far. She's been doing Vlogmas, quote unquote, like I have, a video every day, and I really like her. Her videos are fun. Okay, you guys, so I just applied the Makeup Forever Ultra HD self-setting concealer. It says it's self-setting, but I still set it with my powder because I don't really want flashback. And I will take pictures throughout the day to see how this concealer is really holding up. I will do a wear test for you, and then I will come back after 10 hours of being at the office, and I'll show you how it looks. Let's see how this holds up. Already I really like it because it's kind of giving me like a reddish orange undertone, and that's kind of the color I want to go for because it highlights my natural undertones, which are reddish orange, and I look good in orange, so why not? Ooh, let me put some lipstick on. You guys, I'm making it a point to put lipstick on camera because if I don't, then I forget to do it all day, and then I just have concealer lips. And y'all know that is not cute. You guys remember that when that was a trend, when you would get foundation or concealer or anything on your lips? I remember seeing girls like that, because I didn't wear makeup back then, but I remember seeing girls like that and be like, is that a nude lipstick or is that her foundation? Hi my loves, welcome back. So I did about a 10-hour wear test. I did my face this morning at 7 a.m. and it is now 9 p.m. Oh my gosh, that's like a 14-hour wear test. Tell me if I'm doing that math right, because I'm probably not. Anyways, so here are my likes and dislikes, my pros and cons for this Makeup Forever HD concealer. So what I love about it is that it gives me the no makeup look. It covers up my blemishes, but it doesn't give me too much full coverage. I'm not really a full coverage kind of girl outside of special occasions, so I really like how this covers up my blemishes but still blends with my chocolatey skin tone, and it really accents and plays up my natural undertones. I really love that. It makes my skin look great. It makes me look radiant, and I love that about it. My only con, it gets very oily in the cheek area and the under eye area. This is where it got oily first, and this is where it got oiliest throughout the day and the earliest. So around noon today when I went on my lunch break, I noticed you could see where there was oil pooling up, and I just, you know, of course I blotted. And of course up here, little bit of oil, a lot of bit of oil. But you guys, I wore concealer for 14 hours. I didn't expect it to look perfect at the end of the day. And honestly, I love this concealer so much. Now that I've given you my pros and cons, I love this concealer so much that it's probably going to replace my LA Girl Pro Concealer, because it creases far less than LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it looks far more natural than my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I was previously wearing LA Girl Pro Concealer in the dark cocoa color, and I love this one so much better because it's giving me more of a brown color than a grayish color, and it's just really like adding dimension and adding highlight and warmth to my face. So you guys, that's what I think of this new Makeup Forever concealer. I really did not know what to expect going into this, and I didn't think anything could replace the tried and true LA Girl Pro Concealer. If you guys watch YouTube, you know that is the go-to for brown girls. Everyone swears by it, but I really like this one, and I think this might be a good one for brown girls. Their shade range is actually pretty good for concealer. I am wearing the second to last color. There is a darker color, and I really think it could work for us brown girls. So you guys, that is my video. I hope you liked my wear test. I hope you liked my review. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. I publish new videos every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful day.